Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the invert operation command in Mitsubishi PLC and also how we can give the comments to our program. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss my upcoming videos. So let's get started. I will open my GXWorks 2 software and here we will choose that LD X0 my input address, and here you can see this is comment section. You can give the comment, any comment you like to give, emergency or start or stop, whatever, this is your choice. And here next you have to be choose INV, just type, and after you will be get the inverse logic command and click it enter. And next you have to be choose output of the y0, and as you click OK, you will find the comment section, and which you like to give the comment, you can give the comment. I will give the comment motor and you can click it OK. Now this program I will just compile first and after write to the PLC. Click execute. Wait while CPU writing the program in the PLC. Click yes and close this dialog and also close that one. And go again to the online and make it start monitoring. Now as you can see, now your output is continuously on. Why this continuously on? Because of we are using here invert operation command. This invert operation command is the function. Opposite means when you give the signal to the X0, it will be stopped, and as you remove the signal from the X0, it will be continuously on. When you like to use this command, use your own method, which is your design or logic, but this is the major important factor is you have to be understand about this invert logic operation command, how we can use. As you give the signal, after your output will be close, and as you remove the signal, your output will be off. And our comment is why not showing? Because of we not make it here check mark in the comment section. You have to be see this here, you can find, you can control plus F5 also you can get, and as you click it on this function at the comment, after you will be find your comments in the program. See, as I give the signal, your y0 is off, and as I remove the signal, y0 will be on. So I hope friends you will be understand about this command, how we can use this invert operation command, and also comments how you can place in the program. If not understand anything or any inquiry, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.